Python. Okay, so now let's get started. So here we will use the modules which name are SYS and PyQt5. Okay, the module link download will be given in the description box. You can click on that and you can see and you can import in your project. Okay, and so let's run the project. Okay, let's click on this run button, and when it's wait for some 5 seconds and it will open my Chrome browser. Alright, means it's made by me only. So here I can write anything, but I am writing here Vishant coding bus. Okay, and then here you can see the back button, forward, reload, home. Okay, so if we click on the back button, it goes to back. Means first we have opened the Google.com, and when you click on the forward button, it's open the forward. Means what I have searched. So I have searched Vishant coding bus, and here you can see the reload button too. Click on the reload, it will automatically reload the page. And here is one home button. When you click, it will come to google.com. Okay, so like this we will create in this tutorial. Okay, so now let's get started. First, let's stop this program. Okay, and let's open the file manager. And when you will open the file manager, like this you will see. Okay, and then just click on the new folder button and write here any name. I am writing here my own browser, and just open it and then write and just shift open PowerShell window here, and like that when you write, and then here it will open your PowerShell window here, and then here you have to write your code space dot, like that. I am using a Visual Studio Code ID. You can use your PyCharm or another ID. This is the method for Visual Studio Code. Okay, so let's maximize it, and let's click on this file and write your main.py. Okay, and then here we will import a module which I have tell SYS. We import SYS module. Then write here from PyQt5 dot Qt core. Okay, Qt core, sorry, Qt Bluetooth not Qt core. Okay, Qt core, and then just write here import start. So why I have written here start? The meaning because it is here we are using PyQt5. Inside the PyQt5 module, there is one module called Qt core, but there is some packages inside that. So that packages I want to import all. Star meaning in the Python programming language is all. Is whatever is the file, you should import all in your program. Okay, and then write here from PyQt5 dot Qt widgets. Okay, widgets, import start, like that. And one more time press enter, and one module, then we will start our code. Okay, from PyQt5 dot write Qt web engine widgets, import start. Okay, and then here you are write your class. Okay, class is equal to main window. Okay, and then write here like that, and just write in the bracket Q main window. Okay, Q main window. Okay, and just write this, and then press enter button. Okay, and then here you have to write def. Okay, initialize. Sorry, I have written the wrong. Let me correct it. This init. Okay, sorry, it has not like that here. Okay, and when you write finish this, then here you have to write your, in the bracket you have to write yourself. Okay, and then write this. Okay, and present. Write your super. Okay, and then main window, comma self. Here you have to write this. Okay, and then just press enter button. Here write yourself dot browser. So browser is equal to Q web engine view. Okay, web engine, and here write bracket, and then just press enter button, and then write self dot browser dot set URL this. So here I have writing this google.com URL. Here you can write any URL. Okay, it's up to your. Okay, and okay, it's up to your. But here you have to write a bracket and QURL, and then write your HTTPS whatever URL in the bracket. Okay, and then just press enter button and write this self dot central widget. Okay, self dot browse means this is the variable which I have taken. Okay, self dot browse, that only variable. Okay, and now let's press and then write yourself dot show maximized, then bracket like that. And then your hashtag no bar. Okay, so we are writing the top of it where you search the URL, type the URL, where you can write the URL you like youtube.com you sometime write, or google.com, that no bar we will add. Okay, write here no bar is equal to Q toolbar. Okay, and then just press enter button and write yourself dot add toolbar. Okay, toolbar. Okay, and then write this variable which I have made it here, no bar, that only variable. Okay, no bar. Okay, and then just press enter button. So here you have seen the demo that there was a back button. So here you have to create a variable of that. Okay, back is it btn. I am writing this variable. Okay, Q action bracket back comma self, like that. Okay, and then here you write back button dot triggered dot connect self dot browser dot back. Okay, and then press enter button and then write your no bar dot add action. Now we have to write the back variable, the bracket, and then write this back button variable. Okay, back btn, like that. Okay, and then just press enter button So like this, you have to make the variables like back button, okay, like forward button, home button, reload button, okay. So the okay, let's move it. Forward btn, okay, okay, is equal to q action action and write here the name. I am writing here forward, okay, forward, okay, comma and self, okay, and then just press enter and then write your forward. Let me write here forward button dot triggered dot connect self dot browser dot forward, okay, okay, and then just press enter button, write here now bar dot add action forward button and then like that you have to make for reload also, okay, home button, okay, and then write here is equal to q action home myself, and then write home btn dot triggered dot connect self dot navigate, okay. So here you have to write here navigate, okay. It's please write only for back button forward reload only there was self dot browser, but for home here you have to write yes self dot navigate, okay, and just write home, okay, and just press enter. Oh, no bar dot add action home button, okay. So these are the buttons which we have made it for, okay. So the back button, forward, reload, home, that all, okay. And now let's run, let's enter, and one so some code is left, let also recover it in. We have created the buttons for back, forward, reload and home, but now we have to add here a URL text box. Means here you know now that whenever you go on Chrome browser and there is a search or type URL, that URL here if you write youtube.com, YouTube comes and opens like that, that only we will create, okay. So here we have to write a self dot URL bar is equal to q line edit, okay, and then write a bracket and then just press enter button, okay, and then write, okay. And here what we have to write, let me tell you, self dot URL bar dot written pressed dot connect and then write your bracket, write self dot navigate to URL and then press enter button and then write your no bar dot add widget widget URL bar. Okay, that URL. Sorry, by mistake. Here you have to write your self dot URL bar. Okay, so here we had till now we have created for the URL which we type youtube.com, that one, google.com, that. Okay, so let's learn, and the whole code is not till finished. Some code is stop, some code is left. Let's recover, let's write that also. Okay, so the sum code is here. You have to write your self dot browser dot URL change dot connect bracket self dot update URL. Okay, and then just press enter button. So we have now finished till URL typing. Okay, and here we have to create a function. Okay, so this line is coming, that here only that is where to create that. Okay, so let's write here def, right, navigate gate navigate home self, press enter, self dot browser dot set URL bracket q URL L, and then write your bracket and write this and write I am ready. So here what is the meaning of this function? This function will do when you will click on the home button what URL should go. In this bracket you have to write the URL. Okay, so what URL I will write? Okay, so I will write here my own website's URL. Okay, my own website. Okay, so here I have written my website's URL. You can also you can use this is my website. Okay, and let's press enter button. Here you have to create your one more function called def navigate to URL self. Okay, and here you write, here we will create a variable called URL self dot URL bar dot text. Okay, okay, so where is the self dot URL bar? Here, of course. Here we have created now for URL typing self dot URL bar. It's a variable we have created. Okay, and let's press enter, and here in this the code for this navigate to URL is means I am writing the some two lines. It's wait for this URL for this navigate to URL to end this function. Here self dot browser dot set URL of bracket bracket URL, and then one more bracket, and that right here URL, the variable which we have made it here. Okay, so this function has been created now. Okay, and now let's create another function def update URL. Okay, Okay, and then write your bracket self comma q. Okay, and then just write and come here. Okay, and then here write self dot url bar dot set text. Okay, and then write bracket and here for this I have written your cube piece. Okay, now you understand. So in the bracket one more letter we have to write q dot to string. Okay, and run more. Okay, so this also function is now created. Now create a variable called app is equal to q application write your bracket sys dot array. Okay, and then just press enter button and write q application dot set application name. So here inside this bracket here you have to write your bracket name. Sorry, your browser name. Okay, so I'm writing here Vishant coding bus browser. Okay, this is the name of your browser. Okay, and now let's press enter. Okay, and write here window is equal to main window and bracket. Okay, and the last line of code is app dot ex. Like this, then finished, right bracket. The whole code is now finished, guys. In the only 55 lines of Python code we have created your own browser. Okay, so now let's test. Sorry for the most long time, but I have created your own browser. You can also make your own browser using Python. Okay, but let's see some error it comes will solve, or if it works it will work like very nice. Okay, so let's give it a run. Okay, so terminal has been opened. Let's see, wait. Okay. So the error is been come, guys. Yeah, I love the errors. Okay, so the error is okay. I understand what is that. Let's here come and write. Okay, so here something is error. Okay, guys, so the error was that I have written here a. Here you have to delete the a. And now let's give it a run. So here the browser is been opened. Here you can see. So here is the network issue. It takes some time. Okay. So it has been opened the browser. Okay, let's search anything over here. I am searching this channel name. Okay, and so here we have created. So here it has opened my channel, and if we click on back button, it is coming back, forward. Okay, reload, home. Okay, so here home. This is my website. Okay, it's a nice website. Okay, you can log in. So thank you for watching this video. You can join my Discord server. The link is the description. Let me show you my server. So you can join this server, and this is my GitHub. Okay, and this is my Instagram. You can log in it or you can follow it. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till bye.